Hello everyone! Andito po tayo sa Hong Kong Convention and Exhibition Center sa labas, Wan Chai. Kung saan bibisitahin natin yung Golden Bohemia Square. So, the Golden Bohemia Square is an open area in Wan Chai, Hong Kong. Kaya tara guys, samahan nyo ako puntahan ito. Tara, lapitan na natin ang Golden Bohemia Square. So, dito guys, kung gusto nyo magpa-picture, pwede kayong magpa-picture dito sa mga nakatayong mga stall. Magbabayad ka ng 20 at mamibili ka kung ano yung magandang shot mo. Ayan. So, adding to your knowledge guys, Hong Kong has a rich history and Hong Kong Golden Bohemia Square is at the center of it all. It is one of the main tourist attractions in Hong Kong. And it's also popularly known as the Expo Promenade. This is where the flag raising ceremony is held every morning. So, dito nila i-held yung flag ceremony, guys. The sculpture, a gilded flower Bohemia, is 6 meters high. So, ang taas niya, guys, is 6 meters. Every Sunday, marami talagang taong napupunta rito. Mga kumukuha ng litrato. Tsaka dito rin guys, may landigan din ng helicopter. Maganda yung lugar, nakaka-relax. Ayan. So ayan guys, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and shares and comments down below. Till next.